faster than the turtle.
We want it to be small.
And the minister.
Yeah. She also did the pictures, so.
Yeah, there's a lot of beautiful places to have a wedding. This beach is very popular for weddings.
Here too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's the hotel sells, packages, so it's very convenient.
Yeah, that's right.
So most of this here is called finger coral. It's like little fingers, little trees. Some of it's broken down from our winter waves.
Now, is this the same coral like you sell them like the pink coral in the jewelry shop?
Sardinian.
No, that's different coral from other parts of the world.
That color.
The colorful coral is a softer coral. Here, if you picture Hawaii, is this tiny little speck out here, this huge ocean. And so we get battered with these waves. We'll get 30-foot waves breaking across here in the winter months. And so this coral has to be strong to hold up for it. All the parts of coral that you see in other parts of the world are really nice.
Black colony.
Also, the water temperature is just a little warmer than it should be for that. There's a little cave here too.
So the strongest waves are in the winter?
We get generally the biggest waves in the winter time. And the biggest ones usually hit the north shore of Oahu. So you see sometimes it looks like a head of cauliflower. That's cauliflower coral. Or it looks like a brain. Here. And that tends to be a little bit different colors. Can be pinks.
Do you see coral?
Not too often. They're pretty rare. You see them in shallow water. Right up next to the ramp where we boarded. We don't have a whole lot of them there. We have a lot of other triggerfish, their cousins. It's a juvenile parrotfish right there. It hasn't quite matured yet, so it's still kind of black. Let's see if we can find some lode coral. The lode coral is like light green. You're also going to see other kinds of sea urchins in the coral. The red spiny one. It's called lipstick urchin. See, this is more finger coral. It's just not kind of broken down like right there. It's a little bit broken down. Where that coral has a little bit of pink in it, the cauliflower. There's one of those red spine urchins.
Oh, yeah. See that red?
Yeah, lipstick urchin. Also called slate pencil urchin. When it dries, you can use it as chalk.
Oh, cool.
It's really pretty too. When it dries, you can just make jewelry out of it.
So can you see this fish that is
Oh, see, that's the mark
served
of
in a
the
restaurant called Ono?
We don't see that here. That's going to be in deep water.
Looks like an eel, yeah.
What'd you see?
That's what the track of the
There's
yield.
the track of the needle right
What-
there.
what-
Oh, what,
yeah,
oh,
it was
yeah.
curvy. And
Oh, I see. Right back there, a eel or maybe a shell. Yesterday we pulled up these. If you go to the end of those tracks and you dig down, you'll find the snail or the shell. Yeah, this water is so shallow all the way out here that you're not going to find those big fish that you're used to eating. If you go up around the corner, the point out over there by Kona, by the airport, it drops off drastically up there, and that's where you're going to see all those fishing boats out here, and they're going to catch those fish. You see, we don't have any fishing boats. There's one boat out there, I don't know what it is. But in Kona, you can see like 40 to 50 out there.
Now, if the sea level rises about a foot, what's it gonna do?
You mean in the future?
Yeah,
It's just going to go up a foot and take away.
to lose some coastline there.
Yeah, they should. I saw it on the news the other day. If it goes up 2 feet and it was in a certain area, can't remember what area, that it would take out all the homes in that area.
on the big island? On the big island?
Oh, it could have been Oahu. I must have been busy. I didn't see the whole thing.
There's another
Sea cucumber. So he's the vacuum cleaner. He's got his head buried in, he sucks in the sand, cleans it, cleans all the debris off of the sand, the algae and debris, shoots out the sand. Oh, here's a nice pink coral head right there.
Yeah.
And then the orange one next to it. You guys know where the sand comes from? No?
Crushed
We get ours from
shells.
the hardware store.
Where do you guys live?
Chicago. We have a beach, Lake Michigan, but
It's not like this.
not like this one.
Yeah, sand comes from different things in different parts of the world. Our sand, we have that parrotfish that we keep talking about. He's got this modified mouth and he chews to get the algae off of the coral. And when he does that, he takes in a little bit of the coral also, so he's developed these glands or tubes in his throat that actually crushes down the coral, and then he shoots it out the other end. And that's really
So you're saying all the sand is giving you a bunch of fish? Ooh, we're on a collision course with him.
He doesn't know we're here.
Something went under.
He's gonna come out right up here.
What is it?
Oh my God. Oh, he's right there.
Where? Oh.
He's just like confused. Hi, buddy.
Oh.
Hi, bud. Don't get much closer than that.
That was cool.
That was.
I'm sorry, what did you ask me?
And you're saying that all of the sand you see is the result of fish working?
Yeah, about 80%.
So that had to happen over the year.
Uh-huh.
Those guys
Well,
were around.
actually, those fish, each full-grown parrotfish provides a ton of sand every year.
Oh,
They just eat and poop. That's all they do. Good luck. They don't go out at night or
so
anything.
the
Yeah.
sand is literally fish poop.
It's fish poop. You see the color of the sand on the beach?
So it's
Yeah.
not the same as the silicon sand we find on
Right.
other beaches.
It's different. So the sand on the beach started out as lava, right? Black lava.
Yeah.
And and then it's been ground and churned. And then this sand comes from the coral. When the coral dies, it turns white, and then it gets washed up and it mixes in
So
with
that,
the lava. So that beach is in transition, eventually, thousands of years, it'll be a white sand.
that's new information.
As long as we have parrotfish around. The local people like to come out and catch the parrotfish. They like to eat them.
This time makes me feel hungry.
Awesome.
Did you get a good picture of the turtle?
Yeah, she got a good picture.